Hello, the Mitch Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the market fundamentally. That means what is going to happen in next week or next Monday to Friday. There is a lot of fundamental factor. That means news is from Donald Trump, China's side, and from geopolitical issues, and also from economic calendar. What is the outcome coming in upcoming days? So we need to analyze them, and then we can decide the market movement or market sentiment. Then we can consider our entry point in technical section. Okay, we already published our technical entry, our technical sentiment into our YouTube channel. So if you already visit that, thank you so much. And if you already not seen yet, please have a look into our technical analysis. Okay, so let's get started. And as per the gold is always connected with USD, so we have to consider USD newses before we want to start gold analysis or gold technical fundamental analysis. Okay, and XAUUSD, as you know that gold is known as widely known as XAUUSD, and we have to follow USD news when we are going to consider XAUUSD fundamental analysis or news analysis. Okay, and there is two kinds of news comes into the market. One of them is positive, another one is negative news. For positive news come with positive data like green 0.5%, green to 45k, and negative news come with red data like red 0.5% or red to 45k or minus to 45k. And for positive news we will sell gold. That means positive news indicate gold sell, and negative USD news indicate gold buy. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, why we are buy gold for positive news, we will sell gold for negative news. I'm sorry, why we are selling gold for positive news and buying gold for negative news? There is some key factor. That means two key factor. Number one is gold value is always fixed. That means gold value is neither going up neither going down. Always change is currency value. Okay, that means currency value is variable that can change anytime, and that's why there is price difference between gold and other currencies. Okay, and suppose for now one triangle of gold is equal to 2500 triangle of United States dollar. Okay, and when data come with minus 5%, that means USD value come minus 5%. If we minus 5% from that triangle, our result will be 5% smaller than previous triangle. In that case, gold is bigger than USD. That means gold we have to go up. That means we will buy gold for negative news. And another scenario for positive news, if we add plus 5% into our previous triangle, that means our reference triangle, that will be 5% bigger than previous triangle. Okay, and in that case we will sell gold because USD is bigger than gold. Okay, this is the basic theory or complete theory. And as you can see there is a lot of geopolitical issues happening around the world, and we will talk them later. And as you can see there is iconic calendar from forexfactory.com. If you want to see like that, you may visit www.forexfactory.com, and I just filter there the major and semi-major news. I just avoid minor news because they are not impact much more like major news. Okay, and Monday we have news on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday also. That means the 5 trading days we have news in USD session, so we have to be careful at that time. Okay, so as you can see there, in Monday we have 2 USD news, PMI news. Okay, and another one is ISM manufacturing prices news. Okay, if data come with positive, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. This is the basic theory. Okay, and in Tuesday we have 1 time news, in Wednesday we have 2 time news there, and in Thursday we have 1 news, unemployment claim. This is important news. Okay, and in Friday mostly the most important or the most important news or most big news in this month is coming non-farm employment challenge. That means if that means NFP. Okay, NFP coming in that particular zone or in the particular area. So we have to consider that news, and this news is far bigger than any news in that month. So you have to consider that news also. And I'm considering gold as sell because our next weekly candle may be going to close bearish. That means sell. Okay, so we have to consider sell, more sell. It is a pre-prediction, but we have to take our exact decision used in market time or in when market opens. There is some reason to go sell in next week. Number one, US and China. US and China. This is Donald Trump and Chinese president. I don't know what is his name, so I can't remember actually. So US president and Chinese president already talked to each other to trade balance. That means maybe they just reduced 10% tariff. US just reduced 10% tariff from China. So this is a sign of peace agreement. That means they are going to really interested to trade each other. So in that case, United States dollar will getting stronger day by day, and gold will go down or gold will fall more. I hope that, or my assumption is that. Number two is Russia-Ukraine war is no more going bigger. Okay, no more going bigger. It's just trying to reduce. So there is another chance to minimize the geopolitical tension. So gold, the number two sign is down for gold. Number one also down for gold. Number three is interest rate, Fed rate cut. Okay, number three is Fed rate cut, and there is some positive scenario for USD. That means when USD get stronger day by day, gold will decrease day by day. That means gold price will decrease day by day. These are the key reason why gold price are dropping from past 2 weeks. If you especially want to see the chart or market price chart, you may see that from last 2 weeks market price is going down day by day. So the main concern is United States dollar stability. The more stability United States dollar gain, gold will drop more. So this is the primary concern, and out of that, all of that, we have some sudden news like from the Truth Social, from the X or Twitter. As you can see there, Truth Social in Donald Trump speaks. So there is a lot of concern can come. That's from previous time, and there was also we have news from X. Okay, and you may ask me, Mr. Boom, where we can get that? When that kind of news comes, market will start to move rapidly, suddenly. Okay, so you have to keep your concern or eyes that kind of news. Also, you must Mr. Boom, where I can find out that kind of news. So you can visit Truth Social, you can visit X, or you may visit Bloomberg, CNN news website or web portal. You must have to see that kind of news which impact on United States dollar if you especially want to trade gold, or if you want to especially try on other currencies, then you can visit other currencies news. Okay, so you must be Mr. Boom, I can't handle or manage all of the site because they are a lot of time consuming. We have a special team to provide all of that kind of news in one platform, in one channel in Telegram. I already put that link in the video description box, and that is completely free. You may join there and you will see what is happening around the world, and you also will get their gold technical analysis, what is Donald Trump concerns right now, and what news coming in upcoming days, or what is happening around the world. You will get all in one platform. Okay, so I hope all things clear now. For if you have any more query, you can join our Telegram channel and just message our admin. They will happy to reply you. If you want to know anything about the market or why market moving like that, you may ask me ask our admin anytime. They will feel happy to reply you. There is no charge, there is nothing. You just join our Telegram channel and ask our admin what is happening, what kind of news are coming today. You will get all of them update with free. So I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis or free fundamental analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. For more query, you can visit our website www.fxbillionaireHub.com. Mr. Boom signing out.